Exporting a fixture in ToolManageriQ is very simple. I'm going to go into the Fixtures submenu, and I'm going to export this 4-jaw chuck into my GibbsCam program. And everything is already set up, so all I have to do is hit the Export to GibbsCam button, and it will appear wherever it was saved. So it'll be in the same position as it was when you imported it into ToolManageriQ. Now when you see it pop up, it doesn't fit this program. Now that's fine, it's just a solid model now, so you can move it in Gibbs and apply it as a fixture. But there is an offset function in ToolManageriQ to handle that kind of thing too. So if I open up a fixture or a fixture assembly, the fixtures have offset amounts in HVD. Now, fixture assemblies also have an offset for the total assembly and then individual offsets for each fixture component. So if I go here and adjust my offset, it will move the solid by that amount so that it hopefully comes in the right spot as long as you put in the right number. I'm going to press OK there, and I'm going to export it again. You can see it's importing, and since I put an offset, it's going to appear in a different position. And so whether I handle it inside GibbsCam or inside ToolManageriQ, I end up with it in the right spot. I can apply as a fixture, and I'm ready to go.